What's going on, guys? It's Eric from Yoka Her Skateboards. I got Enzo behind the camera. It's another Friday, and we don't really see the sun or blue clouds, but it's not raining, so we're happy about that. It's been raining quite a bit here in Southern California, so we're able to skate today, so very happy. We couldn't skate the last couple weeks because of the rain. But today we're gonna make a video. Somebody in our comments was asking, what does the term line mean? And so in skateboarding, the term line is pretty much if you watch a video and you see multiple tricks put in like order. Say somebody's rolling up, they do a flip trick, they go up to a ledge, do a grind, and maybe there's a stair set at the end. They do a trick down that. So you complete all those tricks without messing up, that's a line. So we're just gonna show you kind of some simple breakdowns of how you can try your own line and maybe get some friends to film it at a skate park or a spot. And yeah, I can just kind of show you when I go to a park, like, oh, this would be cool to do a line here, and then I'll take you through my mind of what tricks I think I wanna do, and try to just go after it and see how many tries it takes me to get it pretty much, and film it. So luckily I got Enzo here, so we're gonna do some lines at the skate park, and yeah, we'll just kind of go into that. And right now I don't really know what I'm saying. I'm sure we'll edit this out, but yeah. All right, so after scouting out the park, I think I have composed a couple tricks I want to do in order to create the line. So if you look over here, there is the extension over there. So I want to start out, I'm going to do a backside disaster on the extension. When I come back down this way, I'm going to do a nose manual from the roll-in to the other roll-in. And then that quarter pipe right there, we're gonna be doing a rock to fakie. And then we're gonna end the line off with a fakie full cab right here. So let's see, that's 1, 2, 3, 4 tricks. So a line could be, I don't know, there's no minimum for it. I guess more than one trick, because doing one trick by itself would just be a trick. So yeah, we have 4 tricks in this line, and let's see how many tries it takes me to complete it. And you know, don't get discouraged on any of this, because it could take me a long time to do this, but you'll never know because of the camera usually when you see it somebody in a video. So right now we'll show real time, we'll show all of the outtakes, errors, what have you. So let's see if I can complete this. So just to wrap it up, what I'm gonna do, back disaster, nose manual, rock to fakie, and fakie full cab. So a little fakie 360 up here to end it. So, all right, let's see if I could do this. I'll put up a finger each time I want to try it. I'll be like, first try, you know?
Yeah, all right.
I know the audio is not on, but attempt 1. All right, so I was able to get the line I wanted. Remember, it was back disaster, nose manual, rock to fakie, and then fakie full cab up the roll-in. But if you notice, well, actually, side note, it only took 2 tries. So we'll put both attempts. So I didn't have the microphone with me, obviously, because I was skating. So first one I put 1 finger up, second one I put second finger up to kind of notify you guys that's the second try. But one thing I really didn't like about the line, all the tricks felt good except for the last one. So if you watch that, it's kind of sketchy. Did I land it? Yes. Did it look clean? No. But I just want to go over, sometimes these things could take forever. I've been at spots where you're filming one trick and it could take hours and multiple tries. And sometimes you might land the trick after hours or X amount of tries, and it might not be too clean. It's all right. Now you know you can do the trick, and you can just make adjustments to redoing it and getting as clean as you want. You could also like work on the trick. Like, I guess it really doesn't really work too much. Like I could say like, oh, well, I'm gonna full cab right here and make it cleaner, but it wouldn't really be in the line. But we just kind of want to showcase today what a line is, what the term is, how to kind of construct something to make your own line at home. But yeah, as you saw in the video, the full cab looked a little janky. I wish I could redo it, but I don't know. I'm kind of winded. We been filming a couple videos today, but let me just do it in real time. This is what I wanted that trick to look like. Let's see if I could do it with the camera or with the microphone. That would have been what I wanted right there. The other one was real tic-tacky, but it's just kind of showcasing what a line is. And I don't know, that's skateboarding for you. You think you got it and humbles you real quick, makes it makes you frustrated. Sorry, mine's all over the place right now. I'm kind of out of breath, but yeah, you know, that's what a line is. Constructing tricks in order and getting them on film, I guess, with your buddies. So go out there and create your own line.